So my mom ordered this M4 Pro MacBook Pro, which is from late 2024, and I'm going to unbox it in this video. So flipping this computer over to its backside. As you can tell, this has the M4 Pro chip, has 48 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's begin unboxing this computer. All right, so now let's go ahead and flip this computer back over. All right, so I have the actual computer, which will set over to the side. And we have our braided MagSafe to USB-C cable that is once again black to match the actual computer. Right here we have our Designed by Apple in California pamphlet, which right here just has some basic information. And then we have our power brick right here, which I'll go ahead and unwrap. There it is. And this right here is a 140 watt adapter, which is really cool. All right, so now we have the actual machine itself. So let's go ahead and let's open this baby up. As you can tell, it is now open. Now I'm going to go ahead and set everything back in its box. So right here is the actual machine itself, which feels not that much different from the 2023. Probably because it's literally the same design, just that this one has a lot far fewer scratches. Now the computer is automatically booting up for the first time, and we have our protected wrap to protect the screen. So that is all for the unboxing of this MacBook, and as always, and all for watching this video, I'm the iTunes fanboy, and as always, peace out.